Welcome back to my channel, 302 Talk Heavy. Today we snowed in. I got a great treat for y'all today. We making chicken soup with rice. And we get ready to get the show on the road. Let's get it. And I got my recipe over here. Let's get it. We get ready to chop the vegetables up. Gotcha. We added salt and pepper together, and we're going to put it in here. Get ready to add. Let it get up to a boil. I'm gonna sit back and chill, and I'm out. Who grew up on Jiffy Muffin Mix? I know I did. Leave a comment, tell me who grew up on Jiffy Muffin Mix. Brought to you by Jiffy Muffins. The pan, grease the pan, grease the pan, grease the pan. Separate the rice from the broth because you don't want to soak up the broth. Got to definitely separate it from there, you know what I mean? This is the finished product of the food. I got the muffins and I got my soup. It's a blizzard outside and it's the best time to eat some soup and stay warm. Talk Heavy, signing off. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace, like, and subscribe. Stay warm. Let me get my thoughts together. All right. Let me steer this up.